Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
These domestic, wild, farm animal, pet animal, they love to eat. So next is what food they eat. Food they eat. Okay? Food of the animals. Food of the animals. Okay. So the animals, they need food. Yes? They need food to eat. Now let's look at the different type of food these animals love to eat. Let's look at that. Food. And animals. Each animal eat different kind of food. Now some animals love to eat plant eaters. Another name for plant eaters are, they are called herbivores. So some animals are plant eaters. These plant eaters are called herbivores. Plant eaters are called herbivores. And what are these herbivores? Animals? They are goats, cows, horses, goats. They are herbivores. Plant eaters, cows, sheep. All these are herbivores. Okay? Now, some animals eat grains. They are also herbivores. Some of them eat seeds. They like grains. They like fruits. All right? Now, what are these animals who love to eat seeds and grains and fruits? They include hen, sparrow, hen, sparrow, pigeon, squirrel, monkey. They are also herbivores. These love seeds, grains, fruits. Next we have some animals eat insects and worms. Some animals eat insects and worms, and they are spiders, bats, frogs, lizards, and all that. Okay? So they love to eat insects and worms. Some animals love to eat the flesh of other animals. They are called flesh eaters. These flesh eaters, they are also called carnivores. Carnivores. The flesh eaters, they are called carnivores. And who are they? They include lion, hawks, wolf, crow, etc. All right? flesh eaters are called carnivores. Now, some animals are both plant eaters and flesh eaters. Some of them are both plant eaters and flesh eaters. So they eat plant and they eat flesh. And they are called omnivores. Omnivores. Now, what are these plant eaters, flesh eaters called omnivores? They come under, some of them are bear, crow, all these are both, they are herbivores and carnivores. So they are called omni. They eat both. They can eat all. So now let's look at quickly what we have done here. We are talking about types of animals. In and around our house, we have tiny animals, big animals. So let's talk about wild animals that roam in the forest, in the jungle. They're very dangerous, ferocious. Some of them are lion, tigers, bears and fox. They are caged, some of them are caged in the zoo for you and me to see, taking away their freedom. The second category is the domestic animal. But the domestic animals are two types. Now, domestic animals, who are they? They are kept in and around our house for our use. They give us lot of things, like dog will take care of us. This domestic animal, goats will give us milk, cow will give us milk. So for our use, and they are very mild animals. Now, they are of two types. First, farm and domestic animals are kept in the farm in large numbers for, some of them are horses, cows and goats and hens and ducks. They are kept for milk, egg and meat, and also to help the farmer. The second type is pet animals. You love to cuddle, take care, like cats and dogs and birds and fishes. They are pet. They are kept as pets, and they take care of you. You take care of them. They guard our house and all that. Now, all these wild and domestic animals, they have food. Different types of food they love to eat. So, food of animals, food and animals. Some animals are plant eaters. They are called herbivores, like the goats and cows and sheep. All right. Now, second is seeds. Some animals and birds like to eat seeds, grains, fruit, like the hens, sparrows, pigeons, squirrels, monkeys. Okay. Now, next is insects and worms. Some animals love to eat insects and worms, like the spiders, bats, and frogs. Then, some animals are flesh eaters. They will kill smaller animals for food, and they are called carnivores, like the lion, hogs, wolf. Some animals they are plant eaters and flesh eaters. They are called omnivores, like the bear and the crow.